You either win with us or you watch us win. Everyone has a choice. The choice is yours.
The fuck you doing here, nigga?
Huh?
Identify yourself. Who the fuck?
That's what I thought. Yes, Hersky was good YouTube. It's the final day. It's the 2nd of July. Season ends tomorrow. This is my current rank. We need to pattern up. We must pattern up. A little experimental. Let me a game warm up. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't touch. Oh. Honestly, Lance. Oh, you died. Oh no, of course. Why would you? What?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait.
Alright, let's just do it, bro. Hattori. And he's taken off the speed stance. Interesting. Me personally, I would put it on, but the defense is understandable. What?
I like your cut, G.
That is fine.
Try it. Bruh.
Why'd I do that? Oh. Oh shit. Oh.
Oh god, bro. Oh hell no, man.
I'm gonna end it all. I'm actually gonna end it. Run it again.
Fuck out of here, boy. Get that weak shit
Nah,
out
he
of here.
left, bro. Oh, bro, there's actually no way. I am now depressed. I'm actually now depressed. That guy played so slow. It actually hurt.
I like your cut, G.
They're so out. Bullshit.
Oh my god.
It's fine. How are you not dead? Like, you see how I beat him? That guy was way better than the other kid. Why? What? Okay. Hold on. Sorry about it, like, cannon. Ugh. Oh, why is it on yellow? I don't like that.
Got you, homie.
Interesting. In a rank session first. Oh my god.
Bruh.
Bro, oh my god. Like, what? Oh no.
Boom. What the hell?
Yes, dude. How the bro? Bro, I can't punish that, man. I just wasn't able to punish that. Fine. I'm off one of the worst characters in the game now, anyways. Okay. Bro. That's not good either. How am I losing to this, bro? Oh my god. My jump didn't come out. My dodge, hello?
Boom.
Nice bro.
Bruh.
Bro. I'm dead. Fuck. Are you taking the pit? How is he not that? Jura has no defense. Shouldn't be difficult, man. Should not be that hard. It actually shouldn't. It shouldn't be that difficult. I should have been done already. I should have been done. Oh, what is this map? There's no way this is in the ranked queue, bro. Sick.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my fucking god!
Well, what? I'm gonna kill myself. Nigga. Wow. I used to play way better music. Like, it's so crazy how I'm just playing like trash now. Because yesterday I was like, there was one point where I played Pike and I was beating. Ow. Oh my. Okay, well, I'm lagging. What is going on? Is it the server or is it both of us? Okay, well, I've tried to rejoin and everything is just not happening. Bro, what just happened? Did the server just die? Wait, so what happens to that game then? 'Cause I can't even go on ranked or anything. If I lose that, that's some BS. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to restart my game, bro. Let's try that again, shall we? I was like 1950. I was like, oh, I'll just take like 4 or 5 games, and then I don't know. Things have not been going my way. I actually died to that. No hole, bro. What?
Boom. brother.
Sick, bro. That's just great. That killed, bro. Oh, I did more damage than him, and I died in like orange every single time, bro. Oh, I'm losing it. I'm actually losing it. I'm slowly but surely losing it. My mental's already out of the window. Oh my god. Thank god. Bro, I'm almost 1900, just like, oh man. This is so painful. Sky, bro. Oh my god. That was sick. Only 2 hits after a dodge read? Ah, fraud. Fraud. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Alright, bro. Bro. Oh my god, man.